Okay, nobody talks about this. The closer you get to God, I believe, the more misunderstood you are, because most people are far from God. If you think about your, if you think about your, okay, say you have a pool of friends, right? Like all the potential friends you ever had. Okay, the closer you get to God, obviously a lot will move out of that pool. Okay, the more you get into like whatever else you get into, like entrepreneurship, like business, a lot of people have the 9 to 5, and you might not connect with them as deep, and then slowly lose touch. Boom, slow a pool, a bunch of people will leave. Um, and just being like more intentional about stillness, like, and not just like just not just like trying to overcome things, period. Boom. A lot of people will not get that. Like, you want to talk, they want to talk about sports still, but you're talking about like, oh, I had this thought and I didn't like get attached to it. Nobody's gonna get that. It's things like that. It's like, you know or you get into music or whatever you get into, man, like you said, or whatever you get into. It's like a certain percentage will leave the pool, and the lonelier you'll get, the more closer to God, I really believe the lonelier you get with people, and then the more misunderstood you get. That's just how it is, that I've experienced. Like, because people don't understand, bro. Like, even like people don't understand the simple things of God, that a lot of people, yeah, just they don't get it. They don't get it. It says, "Be still and know that He is God," and you practice stillness, and then it's like a bunch of people drop off. Like I said, so at least that's just what I think. That's what I'm going through right now, and I'm like, I don't have very many friends, and I used to always have like a big group of people around me. So it's just interesting. But the more I can't talk deep stuff about like hardly anybody. Only one person in my life, so it's just interesting. But anyways, just wanted to share that.